No teacher is perfect, and often we are left with a few minutes at the end of the class that we need to fill in. That's where 5-minute fillers come in handy. These quick games and activities are essential in an ESL classroom to keep students engaged, reinforce learning, and make the most of unexpected spare moments. In today's video, I'll share 3 fillers that you can pull out of your sleeve whenever you find yourself with some extra time at the end of a lesson.
Filler number 1, word letter.
Write a 3-letter word on the board. For example, cat. Students then take turns changing one letter in the word to create a new 3-letter word. For example, cat could transform into mat, man, men, pen, ten, tea, see, set, pet, bit, fit, and so forth. This game not only encourages creativity, but also reinforces spelling patterns and phonics awareness. It's a fun and engaging way to utilize those extra few minutes at the end of a lesson while keeping students actively involved in learning.
Filler number 2, grammar challenge.
Write a simple sentence with a grammatical mistake on the board and ask students to identify and correct it. For example, write, "He go to school yesterday." Or you can write, "She don't know how to swim." Or, "They're going to their friend's party tonight." This helps reinforce grammar rules in a quick and interactive way.
Filler number 3, song vocabulary challenge.
Split the class into 2 teams. Play a portion of the song or the whole song, making sure it's clear enough for all students to hear. You can choose a song that aligns with the vocabulary or grammar you've been teaching in class. As the song plays, students jot down any verbs, nouns, or adjectives they hear. Please encourage them to listen carefully and write quickly. 2 students from each team can do it on the blackboard. Here is an example. Listen to the song and write as many adjectives as you can.
Teacher Val from Lithuania's land teaches ESL with a guiding hand. In China's halls he shares his art, crafting PPTs he plays his part. From ancient walls to modern day, his lessons shine in every way, empowering teachers far and wide. With kindness he becomes their guide. Subscribe to his YouTube channel, don't delay, where learning blooms and lights the way. Teacher Val, his insight on display. Join his journey every single day.
I I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload and can help your fellow educator grow his channel. Just a reminder, I have a store where you can purchase my PowerPoint lessons. If you're interested, please visit my store at teacherval.com. All the links are in the description box below the video. A shout out to the channel members, Mariam and Michelle. You guys are the best. Thank you very much. I hope more people can support my channel in the future because it really motivates me and keeps me going. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.